Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. In today's video, y'all, I just wanted to make an impromptu video, and I want to just go ahead and let y'all know, I'm about to just go ahead and tell y'all the tea. I was going to say, hey, let me make these a series, No, let me just be honest. A lot of people have seen my growth. I went from 50,000 subscribers. That took me 6 years, y'all. 6 years to get to I'm at 393,000 subscribers. And there's only one answer to this growth this fast. Now, like I said, I accumulated 340,000 subscribers in about 6 to 7 months. But the first 30 days, I gained 50,000 subscribers. The next 60 days, I gained 40,000 subscribers. The third month, I gained 70,000 subscribers. I'm not talking about total. I'm talking about this month I gained 70,000 more followers. You get what I'm saying? So this is why I was able to basically reach 400,000 subscribers in about 6 to 7 months, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and tell y'all the tea, okay? So if y'all want more videos like this, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe this video. And I think it's very important to see it from somebody who does have a large following now. Okay, it's okay for people with small followings to talk about it, but y'all, I feel like I'm an OG YouTuber, and it was even rough for me. So I think it's good to join YouTube now. Okay, it was not easy for me, y'all. When I tell you, it took me 500 videos of posting consistently for a few years to even get to 50,000 subscribers. It was so much harder to grow on YouTube, y'all, back in the day compared to how it is now. How it is now, it is so different. And I just want to kind of give y'all tips and tricks. I've been to the YouTube creator events. I've been to about 4 or 5 YouTube events that they've been inviting me to. I'm part of the YouTube shopping programs. I'm part of the YouTube pilots programs. I'm part of all these different programs because of my substantial growth in such a short amount of time. So yeah, I just kind of want to give y'all tips and tricks. We know what's going on in the world. And we know that nothing is guaranteed. Jobs, nothing is guaranteed. And I always say, even if you do have a 9-to-5, I'm not even going to say quit your 9-to-5, but even if you do have a 9-to-5, it is so important to have more than one stream of income. So important to have more than one stream of income, y'all. That is the most important thing. And when I tell you this doesn't take much time at all, this can take 10 to 30 minutes of your day per day. So anybody with a 9-to-5, even if you have 10 kids and a husband or a wife, anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Anybody, okay? Anyways, so let me start rambling. So let's just go ahead and get into what I did to gain 340,000 subscribers in 6 months, okay? So first steps first, and this is really the only step, okay? YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts. And if y'all don't know what YouTube Shorts is basically the same thing as Facebook Shorts, Facebook Reels, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels. It's all the same thing. That short form vertical videos where you're filming like this. You get what I'm sorry, y'all, my nails are not done. But when you're filming like this, that is what's going viral. Now, also, I'm not talking about, okay, now you got to figure out so many ideas to post and try to gain following. No. Reactions. Find a genre of whatever you want to do. I react to hair videos, okay? But I picked hair videos because hair videos is already part of my channel. You get what I'm saying? If you are starting new, I would definitely say pick a genre. I don't care if you're reacting to food. I don't care if you're reacting to people cooking. I don't care if you're reacting to people building a business. I don't care if you're reacting to Christian content. I don't care if you're reacting to the law of attraction. I don't care if you're reacting to seminars. I don't care if you're reacting to business meetings. I don't care if you're reacting to cat videos. It doesn't matter what you're reacting to, but find one subject you want to talk about and then make reactions to those videos. Simple as that. It's literally not hard. It literally only takes 30 minutes to do, And yeah, like it's not hard at all, y'all. Like, so I've done this and I've showed people to like how to do this as well. Me personally, I find videos on Instagram. I find videos on TikTok. Other people that I've told this to, they find their videos on like Facebook, and TikTok. So all you do is, find a tool to download the videos and react to them. Put your voice, put your face in it. People want to know your opinion. People want to know and also you bring more traction to the page or the video source, like from whoever created that video, you're bringing more traction to them as well. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's a win-win situation. It helps build your residual income, and then it also helps the other person that created this content. And it's also really important to like tag them or like mention them in the comments, because at the end of the day, it is their content. So if you are like kind of taking their content and like recreating it or giving your opinion, because that's basically what it is. Like, people don't want to be honest, but people love people's opinion. Like, and this is why reaction videos work so well, because you are literally just giving your unbiased opinion, like giving your opinion about whatever you want, whatever you're talking about, and people either agreeing or disagree, and they're going to let you know in the comments whether they're agreeing or not. Okay. So yeah. And also, you can't be scared. Don't be scared to give your opinion. You have to understand, if you're building subscribers, you have to not be scared of giving your opinion. People are subscribing to you based off of your opinion, because if you're sitting there and just like, like laughing or something at a video, not really giving your opinion, what's the point of people subscribing? At that point, they're just going to watch it, but they're not going to subscribe. You want subscribers. You want to build community, because what is this all really for? Like, you want to be able to build community. Community is actually the number one thing that's important, because you can rely on your community to consistently watch like your stuff, like you can rely on your community to always show up for you. So if you do have a business or you do create a business in the future, then you can trust that community is going to show up for you, because at the end of the day, money is cool. Like, yeah, you can make the money, but community is very important. I built a very solid, mostly minority based women channel, which is Black women channel or melanated women channel, and I have a thick community of them, and they ride for me, and they always comment on my stuff, and they always are supporting me, and they're always here, and I know that like they're just always here. So you don't just want to create like a channel that it's like, oh, okay, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna kind of create this and that's kind of it. Like, even if you create a channel, like I said, and like you react to like cat videos, like there's so many people that love cats. So many. So once you start understanding, like, okay, there's so many people that love cats. The people that love cats are subscribing to the stuff. Like, let me make more content, and then just start being creative with the content. Like, react to funny ones, react to like cats rescuing people, react to like people rescuing cats, react to like the different types of breeds of cats, react to all types, because, you want it to like not just be like one type of video. You want to like, the subject is cats. Let's talk about cats in different ways. Like, so also so also it's important to like be, so that's kind of how you want to navigate it, Also, it's important to be like passionate about what you're talking about, because if you're making something about cats, y'all, and then eventually in 6 months from now, you're gonna be like, why did I make this channel about cats and I hate cats? You get what I'm kind of saying? Like, you want to make sure that you are passionate about something. Like, if you're a mechanic, I would react to mechanic videos if I were y'all. You get what I'm kind of saying? Like, react to something that you know about, or if you do turn around and do like a cat video, have a cat on your own. Like, so we can kind of like build, so you can build a community with people that own cats as well. Like, you know what I'm kind of saying? Like, you have to be wise about it. For me, it just makes sense for me to react to hair videos. So like, hair videos make sense for me because I used to be a hairstylist and I've always been interested in hair. Sorry, y'all, like I am sweating. I'm in this car with the windows wound up in 80-degree weather. But yeah, I just kind of I felt compelled to do this video. So I just kind of wanted to like just go ahead and make the video and put it out there and just like see how you guys feel. Like I could make more videos like this. I could make more prompted videos like this. I could make it where I'm just doing something and telling y'all about it. I could make it where I'm sitting down in my house, you know what I'm saying? And like actually do a sit down video and kind of explain things to y'all as well. So yeah. So just let me know if this helps y'all. But YouTube Shorts. Oh, and another tip, don't use like trending video, like trending music in the back. Find some non-copyrighted music to put in the background. I use CapCut to edit my videos. It's very, very simple, y'all. It doesn't take me long at all unless I also incorporate long form videos and other stuff in my channel. So that does take time, but like short form content doesn't take much time at all. So shorts, y'all, YouTube Shorts, and reacting to people's like content. And then it's like helping you help them, you know, like it really is a win-win situation. It's building your fan base. It's building their fan base because you're featuring their stuff and then you're tagging them. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like a win-win. This is what I'm saying. Like, we need to be able to help each other. Like, help each other in this economy, because that's what it ends up boiling down to. Okay, everybody's trying to build their platform. Everybody's trying to make a substantial amount of income. A lot of people are doing it, you know, trying to do it full time. I do YouTube full time, so this is my job. Yeah, so that's kind of basically what I have to say, y'all. Like I said, I just felt compelled to do this video. I wanted to just go ahead and film it. If you do like want advice, I have a lot of advice. Like I've been doing YouTube, y'all. This month will be my 10th year of posting my very first video. So I definitely can give you guys advice. Y'all better get on it. And like, I'm part of the YouTube like committee. So if I'm telling y'all to do the YouTube shorts, please do the YouTube shorts. I done been in these meetings. I done seen it. The YouTube shorts is where it's at, okay? Please start your YouTube channel this year, y'all. This is like the most pivotal year ever because they're competing with all the other platforms, especially TikTok. So they're including something, they're increasing pay for people, like they're increasing opportunities for people. They are trying to get people on their platforms. So when a company is doing that, this is the time to go ahead and utilize that, okay? Before other things change and make it hard again. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for just taking the time out to watch this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.